Hello guys! Welcome to my channel! Today is my birthday, so samahan niyo kaming mag-celebrate at mag-travel papuntang London. Enjoy watching!
6.5 hours later.
Time check, it's 8:55 p.m. Medyo delay yung pagkarating namin ng London, and as you can see, maliwanag pa kahit malapit na mag 9 p.m. Because it's summer, kaya late lumulubog ang araw at tumidilim. Dito kami nagstay sa Metro Central Heights. Quick dinner.
The next day, a few moments later.
Kaninang pagising namin, hindi pa umuulan. Pero kung kailan kami magsisimulang gumala, tsaka naman umulan. O diba magaling? First stop is the Buckingham Palace. This is the official residence of the British monarch since 1873. Isa ito sa mga pangunahing tourist attraction dito sa London, especially during the changing of the guard ceremony, kung saan pinapalitan ng mga guard sa isang tradisyonal na seremonya. Next is the Queen Victoria Memorial. This is a famous monument in front of the Buckingham Palace. It was built in 1911 to honor Queen Victoria, the longest reigning British monarch at that time. Sa gitna ng memorial, makikita ang isang malaking statue ni Queen Victoria, surrounded by statues symbolizing justice, truth, and charity. This is St. James Park, one of the most beautiful and oldest royal parks in London. This is located near Buckingham Palace. Dito, makakakita ka ng iba't ibang uri ng mga ibon, kabilang ang famous pelicans na unang dinala rito noong 1664. Magandang mag-relax dito, mag-picnic o maglakad-lakad habang tinatanaw ang St. James Park Lake. You can also enjoy the view of Buckingham Palace from the Blue Bridge inside the park. Naglakad-lakad pa kami ng ilang minuto para makarating dito sa The Big Ben. This is also one of the most famous landmarks here in London. Many people think Big Ben refers to the clock tower, but it is actually the nickname of the Great Bell inside the tower. The tower itself is called Elizabeth Tower. Today, it remains one of the most visited and photographed attractions in the UK. At dahil dyan, hindi namin pinalampas na hindi magpa-picture sa telephone booth na kita ang Big Ben sa likod. After namin sa Big Ben, ay umakyat na kami ng bridge. Mayroon ditong bilihan ng mga souvenirs, kaya tumingin-tingin na rin muna kami at bumili. Sige. Sa rep, ayaw mo kuha. Ha? Puro kitchen mo. Oh. Ito, cute ito na. Ay, ito. Ito na lang. Cute. Saan na yan? Where's the guy? Hindi na tayo bayad. Oh.
Which cup would you like?
Wala kaming dala na cash pero buti na lang may nasungkit na mga barya sa wallet. Abot-tanaw lang dito ang London Eye. Ayan, kahit mukhang basang sisiw na si Inday, ay pinilit pa rin kuhanan siya ng video na kita ang kabuuan ng Big Ben. This is the Tower Bridge, not London Bridge. Isa sa mga interesting facts tungkol dito ay kaya nitong bumukas sa loob lang ng 3 minuto para makadaan ng malalaking barko. Ang ganda nito tingnan sa personal, pero lalo mong ma-appreciate ang ganda ng Tower Bridge kapag maganda ang panahon at nasisinagan ito ng araw. This is an iconic symbol of resilience and architectural genius in the heart of London.
The next day.
Ito yung mga nabili naming keychain. Hindi na kami kumalapa dahil maulan pa rin. But we have decided na dumaan muna dito sa Borough Market para mag-ikot-ikot at matry yung famous na strawberry with chocolate sauce. Ang price nito ay £8 and 50 pence. Kapag kinonvert sa peso, ay nasa 600 plus each. Kaya wag na lang talaga natin i-convert para di gaano masakit.
Oh my God! Wow! Nice.
After namin kumain ay umikot pa kami ng kaunti at naghanap ng mababaon sa biyahe. Kahit na pauwi na kami ay umuulan pa rin. Kaya hindi rin namin gaano na-enjoy yung trip dahil kaunti lang talaga yung napuntahan namin dahil lagi umuulan. Thank you guys for watching. Sana nag-enjoy kayo kahit papano. See you on my next vlog. Ingat!